Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The earthly deity, in the form of a cow, thus replied to the personality of religious principles in the form of a bull, "O Dharma, whatever you have inquired from me shall be known to you. I shall try to reply to all those questions. Once you too were maintained by your 4 legs, and you increased happiness all over the universe by the mercy of the Lord. The principles of religion are laid down by the Lord himself, and the executor of such laws is Dharmraj or Yamaraj. Such principles work fully in the age of Sat-Yug. In the Treta-Yug they are reduced by a fraction of 1/4. In the Dvapar-Yug they are reduced to 1/2, and in the Kali-Yug they are reduced to 1/4, gradually diminishing to the 0 point, and then devastation takes place. Happiness in the world depends proportionately on the maintenance of the religious principles, individually or collectively. The best part of valor is to maintain the principles despite all kinds of odds. Thus one can be happy during the span of life and ultimately return to Godhead.